Meralco says several areas may be experiencing power interruptions due to a sudden plant outage on Monday. In an advisory, the power distributor says interruptions may last for 10 to 15 minutes, but it urged affected areas to contact Meralco if their interruption lasted more than 15 minutes. In a later update, Meralco says power restoration is taking longer than intended, adding that it is already coordinating with the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines. Meanwhile, the NGCP said 5 power plants are currently on forced outage, while 3 others are running on derated capacities. Due to this, the NGCP placed the Luzon grid on red alert from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The grid is placed on yellow alert from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. A red alert is raised when the power supply is insufficient to meet consumer demand, causing power outages.